we're gonna say a goodbye video. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. I didn't bring you any food. I just brought you some lights. Because, where are you? Willow is not invisible. Move, babies. I'm gonna put the lights on. I don't know if you can see. Willow, Chiquita. Wait, babies. Wait. This is for Chiquita. This is for another one. Hey, what am I gonna do? This is for Willow. You're having a light. Everybody's having a light. Where's my camera? Hey, no, don't damage that. No. So the puppies are... No, don't put the light. Man, I put... Hey! What is this? No, don't eat the lights. You're gonna... It's a battery. Hey, that's not for eating. We're supposed to have a picture of you. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Hey, move! Hueputa. You see these dogs? They don't do anything but just what they want for themselves. Because that's how I taught them. You know, I did everything for them. And no! How many lights I have? Forget it. I cannot do anything with these puppies. Nothing. Stay there! Man. Stay there, man. Where are the lights? No, what are you doing with the other light? No. What is this? What is wrong with you? Aye! Get out of here. Oh, man. I have 6. Fucking cameras. I mean, can you just... In the age of digital, we cannot have any camera that just sits here. Stay there. How many do we have? Sit down. Sit down. Go over there. Go to your places. Gee. Okay, puppies. You're screwed.